Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be taking you through the Coinfinex website. So when you enter Coinfinex, it will say welcome. You can click this button to create wallet. Start trading. Trade with margin. Use your fake currency, 800 plus cryptocurrencies. Trade like the pros and 24-hour support. Safe, secure, and trusted. This shows you a graph of the volume USDT. Start now. Discover the cryptocurrency world with most secure platform. You can enter your full name, email, and your message. Then click send. You can visit this website on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and more. As you see, there's a green button that will say leave us a message. Our agents are not available right now. Please leave a message and we'll get back to you. Enter your name, email, subject, and message. So I'm going to end the video right here. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and don't forget to go to the Coins website to find more information about Bitcoin.